Ground chainsaw. This colossal saw functions as a unique suspension device for ground drilling. Engineered for versatility, this vehicle excels in various soil types and terrains, courtesy of the finely honed teeth at the base of the unit. Its drilling apparatus seamlessly integrates with compatible tools designated for such tasks, ensuring smooth relocation without causing any hindrances. Swiftest TM F2821. The reach stacker is a uniquely engineered forklift. It's capable at handling a diverse array of containers, boasting a hefty weight of 75 tons and a remarkable load capacity of 35 tons. Measuring 30 feet in length, 14 feet in width, and 13 feet in height, this colossal machine is powered by diesel fuel. Equipped with a substantial mobile hook capable of reaching up to 21 feet in height, the reach stacker offers versatility beyond its primary function. Proving invaluable in forest clearing tasks as well as in a variety of construction projects with varying levels of difficulty. $8,000 electric circular saw. Equipped with a formidable 60-inch circular saw and a 7-inch separating cylinder, this electric circular saw vehicle excels in handling large trees with precision. Its robust engine powers through timber, with the initial cut made by the circular saw, followed by the segmentation of logs into quarters by a specialized device. Operators can enjoy the comforts of a heated cab while maneuvering this powerful machine effortlessly with a joystick, showcasing the vehicle's blend of strength, convenience, and operator comfort. Force Mulcher AHW IM650. The Force Mulcher AHW IM650 is a cutting-edge, versatile wood shredder engineered for both heavy and medium-duty tasks, providing an eco-friendly solution for swift land clearing and premium soil preparation. Suitable for large areas with varied vegetation, this universal unit can be mounted on any carrier vehicle equipped with a 140 to 350 horsepower engine. Notably, it boasts the capability to delve up to 8 inches into the soil for thorough root removal and possesses a robust edge adept at handling even the toughest hardwoods. VZ950. The VZ950 is a robust elementary crusher featuring a hydraulic transmission, making it one of the most formidable machines produced by its manufacturer. Its modular design not only ensures efficient operation, but also keeps maintenance costs low. This powerful, efficient, and reliable crusher is frequently utilized for processing logs, automotive bodies, plant materials, and household plastic waste. Despite its significant weight, it can move swiftly thanks to its advanced track system. Valtra in 9.2. Experience enhanced cleanliness with the Broadway-manufactured trailer sweeper that boasts mechanical adjustments for optimal performance. This innovative machine is adept at maintaining urban thoroughfares and sidewalks, as well as larger roads, by swiftly directing waste into its onboard landfill compartment. Engineered for compatibility with a wide range of dumpers and tractors, the sweeper has the impressive capacity to clear up to 1.2 tons of refuse per minute, including compacted snow and road debris. It features two sizable side brushes, each 1,300 millimeters in diameter, with customizable bristle density and adjustable angles for both longitudinal and lateral directions. An added cylindrical rear brush, measuring 750 millimeters in diameter, ensures a rapid rotation for faster cleaning speeds. Litter Master 9000. This vehicle excels in efficiently cleaning a variety of items including bottles, straws, plastic cans, glass, and plastic bags, promising high-quality results. It is particularly adept at facilitating quick garbage collection following large-scale sporting and cultural gatherings. The designers of this vacuum vehicle boast its superiority over traditional gasoline-powered blowers, highlighting its ability to clean up to 7 miles of area in as little as 6 hours, thanks to its direct suction capability and 8-inch diameter suction hoses. Not only is this technical tool user-friendly, but it is also built to last for years with minimal need for maintenance, ensuring long-term reliability. Dominator 88S. The Dominator 88S is designed to master the terrain with its advanced features. It showcases a formidable cutting tool and boasts adjustable discharge springs on hydraulic cylinders for accurate terrain tracking. The machinery is supported by 3 sturdy drive chains. At its heart, the Dominator features a large threshing mechanism with a 450 millimeters diameter cylinder that rotates 117 degrees, ensuring efficient processing. Power is no issue thanks to its mechanical transmission and a robust 160 horsepower engine, all housed within a generously sized cab for operator comfort. Additionally, this model offers manual control over the shredder speed and the clearance below the cylinder, allowing for customized operations tailored to specific needs. New Holland T7-70 Methane. This extraordinary tractor is highly adaptable to the evolving demands of farming. It boasts a compact design, lightweight structure, and robust performance capabilities. With an inherent power output of 228 horsepower, this machine can be further enhanced by installing a forced supercharger, elevating its power potential to 270 horsepower. Operators will appreciate the superior visibility from the cab, which significantly decreases fatigue during work. Additionally, the tractor features a dual-stage automatic cab suspension system that cuts down vibrations by a quarter, enhancing comfort. A position sensor placed on the seat provides constant monitoring of the vehicle's movement, ensuring precision and control. Modi KE3000. The Modi KE3000 introduces an outstanding level of performance in hydraulic combines, distinguished by its innovative functionality and aesthetically pleasing design. This pumpkin harvester boasts an efficient, sifting mechanism equipped with a large cylinder featuring semicircular rods, ensuring a high rate of productivity. Within its process, the machine effectively crushes pumpkins and channels them towards a conveyor powered by a robust, heavy fuel engine. This conveyor is designed for durability, made up of a multi-layered belt that combines rubber and fabric to reduce wear. Additionally, the harvester includes a specialized compartment for collection, where a hydraulic-powered mechanism facilitates smooth and swift unloading. Notable benefits of this sophisticated machinery include its cost-effective operation, user-friendly electronic display control, and superior quality of harvest.